Hello everyone, I hope you are well wherever you are. In this session I have the yin poses that is very relaxing and calming. You can always use extra props to make it more gentle for yourself. And then I have these singing bowls I have made separately and combined them together with my guidance and instructions. I hope you will be able to do it comfortably and most importantly to find your way for this 20 minutes to do nothing else but to be here in this moment with every flow, letting everything else be and be here in this flow. Beginning by lying down on your back as I have used one cushion. You can use two cushions as well, maybe one underneath your thighs. When you can keep your legs straight, allowing your head to rest on the floor and becoming into a very relaxed position that you can comfortably hold. And as you are holding the pose, begin to take deep breath by expanding your stomach as you inhale, contracting your stomach as you exhale. Expanding your stomach or rise of the stomach as you inhale, contracting your stomach as you exhale. Allowing your body to sink into this pose, allowing the heart chakra to be open, allowing the muscles of your chest and shoulder to stretch. Inhale and exhale. Settling down into the present moment and becoming very mindful and knowing that even if your mind wanders, it's okay. But coming back with patience and kindness, with no judgment. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly helping yourself up in any way that is comfortable to you, and take a moment. And then we will slowly come to our child pose. With your knees slightly open, big toes touching together, bring the cushion. If you have a bigger size, you can fold them like mine. If you have a smaller one, you can place them between your chest to the floor, or maybe you don't need one. You can rest your forehead on the floor. If you cannot, you can always make changes by maybe putting the cushion a little more inside, below your hips. Continuing to hold into this position as relaxed as possible. Inhale and exhale, relaxing and allowing your back to stretch, your body to relax. Inhale and exhale, relaxing from your head to toe. and allowing your body to sink into the pose. Inhale and exhale. Be mindful and present. As you relax your body and hold the poses, remain mindful of the sound and then let the sound with its vibration to enter, sink into your body, into that pose. Slowly coming up and making your way up by taking as much time as you need. You can place your right knee in the middle of your mat. Lower your body down, stretch the back leg far behind, coming down to our pigeon. So this might be not comfortable for many. So you can always use props. Maybe no need to go too low. Maybe you can rest your head on your hands. You can also make a fist with your hands, or you can use a bolster or block to rest your head. Even if this is not comfortable, you can put the block underneath your right hips if your right knee is on the top. This will allow you to give more support, making sure that your hips are turned towards the floor along with your spine lengthened. And holding the pose in the most comfortable way. Inhale and exhale. Without holding any resistance, a lot of the tensions that we have are always stuck down there on our glutes and our hips. Continue to relax and release into the pose as you hold. Slowly coming up, lifting yourself way up however possible and changing your side. Bringing your left knee in the middle of the mat, sit low, turn your body, coming down in your pigeon pose. Remember to always listen to your body and continue to breathe in and breathe out. slowly finding your way up. You can rest in between anytime, maybe for child pose. For next pose, you will lie down on your stomach and bend your right leg 90 degrees to the side. And your right hand can go slightly up. Lift that left arm, lift your body, bring it inside and try opening your chest up towards the sky or the ceiling. Grabbing your left thigh with your right. Grabbing the right thigh with your left. Or use a block or a cushion bolster to help and allow your right shoulder to lower towards the floor as much as possible. If your arms are still hanging, you can always use another cushion underneath your arms. Knowing that this is a little deep stretch, be careful and mindful. If this is a too complicated twist for you, you can always do a simple twist similar to this, lying down on your back and continue to breathe in and breathe out. Slowly coming back the way you went into the pose. Back on your stomach. Take as much time as you need. Now we will bend the left leg 90 degrees and right arm sweeping underneath. Lower your left chest and shoulder to the ground. Grab your right knee with your left hand. Simply trying to fill the space below your left shoulder. You can always put a bolster like we did underneath your left knee. Holding the pose, continue to breathe in and out using the abdominal breathing and be present. Allowing the sound of the bowls to sink in along with the pose that you are holding, relaxing and releasing. Slowly finding your way up as comfortably as possible. You can rest back in child pose if you need. Take a moment if you need. And now we will slowly go up against a wall that you can find. Make sure it's safe. The wall is smooth, that you don't get yourself hurt. Stretching your legs up against the wall, sitting really close to the wall with your bum touching. And begin by bending your knees, making a butterfly as comfortably as possible and push the knees towards the wall, keeping your back flat, a gentle hip opening, especially to your inner thighs and the groin. Continue to breathe in and out. From this position, slowly joining your knees and hug them. Take your time and then bring your legs up towards the sky. You can always put the bolster underneath your hip or choose not to put it underneath your hips. This will incline your hips a little bit and giving you a little more comfort, less stressful. And from that position, just simply stay there, relaxing your neck, allowing the sound to get into your head, into your system, and feeling that tingling sensation, the flow of blood coming down through your legs, experiencing a deep relaxation around your legs. Simply hold with total awareness. Slowly coming back down, hugging your knees, pulling them towards your chest. You can roll to your left and coming down on your mat. lying down comfortably and slowly, most importantly mindfully, resting in this shavasana. A deep inhale and deep exhale, continuing to listen to the sound where you are allowing your whole body to rest. Remain still, be present with your body and relaxing. Inhale and exhale, relaxing from your head to toe. Along with the sound, stay here for as long as possible without rushing to come up. Continue to be mindful and carrying out this mindfulness, composed and calm, feeling throughout your day. If possible, knowing that it is possible, whatever you will be doing throughout your day, you can be aware and present, and that will allow us to develop the mindfulness and finding some peace in everyday life. Stay here for as long as you need and coming up whenever you need. I wish you all a wonderful moment.